Welcome back! We are on our way to First Watch in Daytona. It's kind of like Kiki's Breakfast Cafe. I think that's the name of it, even though I've never been there, but it's a brunch place. So I thought I would take y'all along with me and I can show you what I order as a keto person at a restaurant, because usually when I show what I'm eating, I'm at home. So here's some options of what you can do at a restaurant. And I'm going with Taylor, my sister-in-law, and my brother.
Hey, YouTube!
So I ordered a cold brew coffee and they only have half and half. So I ended up getting the ham and Gruyere omelet with greens on the side, and obviously I can't have the bread even though it smells so good. This is what Taylor got. Is it good? We just finished our meal at First Watch. Mine was delicious, but kind of expensive for what I got. What y'all think?
Mine was great, and we got buy one, get one free. Mister?
Stick with Panera.
He said stick with Panera. Just stopped at the beach because it's like 70 degrees out, super sunny, and it feels amazing. So I'm running to the store because I want to make spaghetti squash lasagna tonight, and I have no idea how exactly I'm gonna do that, but I need some grass-fed beef, so I have to go pick that up, and I'll go home and hopefully make a good lasagna for dinner. Just got home and here's what I ended up picking up. This bison was on sale, so I got that because I do enjoy it. And then I'm gonna try out these Too Good yogurts. I got a vanilla and a mixed berry. I've seen a lot of keto Instagrammers eating them and I'm very skeptical, but I'm gonna try them anyways, and maybe it can work for somebody if they're pretty good. And then this is new to my Publix. This is Rebel Creamery's ice cream. It's the butter pecan flavor and it only has 6 grams of net carbs per pint. So I could literally eat the whole thing, even though they're very filling, so I don't eat very much of it, but I gotta get cooking. Okay, before I put this in the oven, here is a view from the side. I guess it's more like a baked spaghetti. So it just has the spaghetti squash, sauce, the meat, ricotta cheese, and some mozzarella on top. So I just pulled the spaghetti squash, casserole, baked spaghetti, whatever you want to call it, out of the oven, and it looks so good. So I'm going to eat this and call it a day, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see y'all next time.